For the head, you're going to start off with the main color you want for your turtle and begin with the magic ring. In the magic ring, you're going to insert 6 single crochets. So it'll look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you're going to pull your ring tight. Then what you'll do is you're going to start on round 2 next. Work into the very first single crochet that you made in the last round. And you're going to increase in each stitch around. So that means you're going to put 2 stitches into the first stitch. That's 1 single crochet and 2. Then in the next stitch, you're going to increase as well. That's 1 and 2 stitches. Repeat that all the way around, and you will have 12 stitches for round 2. I need to apologize in advance for my voice. I'm getting over a cold, but it's been very long now, and my voice still hasn't really gotten back to normal yet. And I couldn't wait any longer to make this video because we've got a timeline to stick to here. So, sorry in advance. Anyhow, after you finish round number 2, you're going to start on round 3. So for round 3, you're going to do a single crochet and increase all the way around. You can use a stitch marker to find your place, or you can use the yarn tail like I'm doing here and just sticking it in the very front of the round. So I'm going to do a single crochet and then an increase in the next stitch, a single crochet and an increase, and again repeat that all the way around until you reach the last stitch. Round 3 will give you 18 stitches total. All right, for round number 4, 5, and 6, you're simply going to single crochet around. So insert 1 single crochet in each stitch. And you'll be working these for the next 3 rounds. So we're going to meet back at round 7. Here we are after finishing round 6. Again, for round 4, 5, and 6, you're just single crocheting around with no increases or decreases. For round 7, you're going to do a single crochet and decrease all the way around. That'll give you a total of 12 stitches at the end. So here's what it'll look like. You're going to single crochet, and then you're going to decrease by crocheting the next 2 stitches together. And I'm going to demonstrate with the invisible decrease here. So that's looping your hook into the front loops of the next 2 stitches, pulling through, yarn over and pulling through, and then finishing the single crochet like normal. Let's do that again. So we're going to single crochet first, and then the decrease by inserting your hook into the next 2 front loops, like so. Yarn over, pulling through those 2 loops, yarn over, pulling through both loops again. So as you work, if you want to do a normal decrease, that's fine too, but I like the look of an invisible decrease because it, as the name suggests, it's invisible, and you would be able to keep your amigurumi looking neater this way. And that's that for round number 7. What you'll do at this spot is go ahead and insert the plastic safety eyes. I put them between round 5 and round 6. You can do the same, or you can choose a different spot if you want. And for the plastic safety eyes, you can use 6mm plastic safety eyes, or if you want to use slightly bigger ones, like 7mm, that can work too. So here I'm going to count my rounds. This is round 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So in between 5 and 6 would be my recommended location for the eyes. And I'm just going to insert them into place first. Take a look at them and see if I like that spot. So there's one eye. And you can put them on opposite ends of the head, which would be 9 stitches apart, or you could do 8 stitches, or however many you prefer. I like them kind of on opposite ends of the head like this. So I'll go ahead and keep that because I like the location. And I'm going to fasten the backings on now. Again, I apologize for my voice. Hopefully by the time I make the next video, I won't sound like I am going through puberty or something. So, excuse me. Hopefully I won't be terrible to listen to, so sorry about that. Let's get that backing on. All right. There we go for the eyes. And now for the last round of the head, you're simply going to single crochet and decrease all the way around. And that's the same instruction as round 7, except this time you'll end with fewer stitches. You'll have 8 finishing stitches. So let's go ahead and continue. For this last round, you're going to single crochet and decrease 4 times. So that's 1 repetition. And here's repetition number 2. Single crochet, decrease. Repetition number 3, single crochet and decrease. And repetition number 4, single crochet and decrease. And once you finish that, you are done with round 8 and you are done with the head. So you're going to go ahead and fasten off with a long yarn tail for sewing to the body later. And all you have to do now is stuff the head. All right, that's that. Thank you so much for watching this first part, and we'll meet back to work on part 2 pretty soon.